welcome to RemedyForce 101, presented to you by Flycast Partners. In today's segment, we're going to be taking a look at RemedyForce and its capabilities around relationships. RemedyForce gives you the ability to manage relationships within your tickets. What that means is you'll be able to track which incidents are related to one another, for example, or how an incident can move through the life cycle of a problem, potentially, or even a change request, and have all of those tickets related to one another, along with any related configuration items. Let's go through and take a look at that. I'm going to open up one of my emails not working incidents, and we'll navigate over to the record details section to be able to take a look and see all the different relationships within our environment here. So you can see as I scroll down, I have some linked tasks which I discussed in one of my previous segments with approval processes. So you can go through and take a look at those, but I do have that ability again from this window to simply create additional tasks. Of course, I can have automated tasks created as part of a service request if that's something I desire, or a change request template as well. I can link additional tickets which we've shown in a previous segment as well, leveraging incident matching capabilities. So if you're interested in that, please take a look at that segment. Now you'll notice here I also have functionality around relating knowledge articles, so I can search the knowledge management database and relate those knowledge articles to this specific service request, so that within history I know what was able to resolve this problem from a management standpoint or from another agent standpoint. If I happen to get a similar ticket in another couple months, maybe I want to reference this ticket to say, hey, someone else used so-and-so knowledge article, let's leverage that knowledge article again to resolve this similar issue that someone else is having. So I can go through and do that. We can also relate, as I mentioned earlier, problems. So I can create and relate a problem specifically to this incident. Now I can go through and look or view all the different problems that are currently open within my environment. So you can see I have multiple problems. In this case, my incident is pertaining to email. So maybe relating it to this email problem would be a good start instead of creating a new problem and having a duplicate problem record within my system there. So I can go through and do that. I can also relate it or create a new change request specific to this. So if I already know a fix is required or a change is going to be in place to resolve this problem, maybe it's a server patch, things of that nature, I can go through and relate that change request to this ticket and then say, this incident's going to be resolved with this server patch. Please wait until the change request is complete, and then we'll update the ticket as such. We also have the ability here to link configuration items. So I can go through and I can select different configuration items that this is affecting. So if it's affecting only my laptop per se, or maybe it's affecting a server of choice, I can go through and define those. Or in my case right now, this ticket is simply affecting the email service. So I can simply type in email, search for that email service, and I can relate that email service to this ticket. So it's really very straightforward to be able to go through and relate items to your desired ticket. In addition, you're also going to see the relationships on the other side. So if I'd open up this problem ticket, you're going to see the relationship to incident 70 within that problem ticket. And same goes for your configuration item that I have related here. So you're going to be able to see all of those different relationships from both sides, and you're going to know that they're related to one another. Thank you for watching today's segment on RemedyForce relationships, and I hope to see you again soon.